Hello viewers, welcome to Frequency Online Maths. Today we are going to start from where we stopped in finding the trig ratio of angle 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So please follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe on our YouTube channel, Instagram and TikTok. So in order to find the special angle of 30 degrees and 60 degrees, we are going to let us consider an equilateral triangle with sides 2 units. You know what an equilateral triangle means? It is a triangle whereby the three sides are what? Equal. And isosceles triangle is a type of triangle whereby the two sides are what? Equal. So let us draw the equilateral triangle. So they say, this thing is no longer equilateral. Let me draw it well. This triangle of frequency. So with size 2 units, we can call here A, B, C. So 2 units, 2 units, 2 units, right? So angle A, B, C. Now we can have a perpendicular bisector from C to where? Line AB. We can call this place G. So with a perpendicular bisector to where? A, B. So having this perpendicular bisector to AB, we are going to have that this place, what are you seeing here? A right angle triangle. So this place will be what? 1. This place will be what? 1. The whole of this place is what? 2. So we can just clean this 2. Now, in order to find this angle, we are going to consider Pythagoras theory. And this Pythagoras theory is telling us that the longest side will minus the shorter side, and the longest side will minus again this shorter side. Now, A squared plus B squared is equal to what? C squared. Just know that the longest side is what? The C. You understand? So C squared minus B squared is equal to what? A squared. The longest side is always the C in most cases, depending on how you label it. You understand? But now our longest side will be now D, that's small d. So you can call here small c, small d, small a, small c, small b, and small d. So you can label it like this. So c squared minus a squared is equal to what? B squared. That is the Pythagoras theorem for us. So we are going to consider this thing here. We are going to have a line AC squared minus line AD squared is equals to line CD squared. So we are going to have line CD squared is equals to line AC squared minus line AD squared. So that our line CD squared is equals to, our AC is what? 2 squared minus 1 squared. Line CD squared is equal to 2 squared is what? 4. 1 squared is what? 1. So our line CD is equals to the square root of 4 minus 1 is what? 3. The square root of 4 is 3. So we can put root 3 here. Our what? Line what? CD. Now, we are going to find what? And you know that equilateral triangle here is what? 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Here is what? 60 degrees, right? Here is what? 60 degrees. The sum of angles in an equilateral triangle is what? 180 degrees. In fact, the sum of angles in a whole triangle is what? 180. Whether scaling, equilateral, isosceles. So far is a triangle is what? 180 degrees. So that here will be what? Here will be, because we have divided it, here will be 30 degrees, here will be 30 degrees. So we are going to find sine 30 degrees. We are going to write our SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. So sine 30 degrees is equal to what? Opposite over hypotenuse. Which is equal to what? Sine 30 degrees is equal to, where is 30 facing? Here. So this place is the what? Opposite. So it will be what? 1 over, hypotenuse is where? Our hypotenuse remains where it is. So 1 over 2. So the value for sine 30 is what? 1 over 2. Now cos 30 degrees is equal to where? What? You can use this place and find it. You can use this place and find it. They are still the same thing. So cos is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse, which is equal to cos 30 degrees is equal to cos 30, where is it facing? The adjacent. So if this place is the opposite, this place will be the adjacent. So the adjacent is what? Root 3 over our normal hypotenuse over 2. So this is the value for what? Cos 30 degrees. Then tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. So our opposite is what? 1. Okay. Tan 30 degrees is equal to what? Our opposite is what? 1 over, our adjacent is what? Root 3. Root 3. So we can still do what? Rationalize. We are going to do what? Rationalize. So root 3 times 1 is what? Root 3 over, root 3 times root 3 is what? Just 3. Understand? So when you are multiplying any sum of the same number, just write the number. Because if you want to take it, root 3 times root 3 is what? Root 9. Okay? Square root of 9 is what? 3. Or you can do 3 raised to the power of 3. This one can cancel this one. You are still having that 3. So don't stress yourself. Just write the number. So tan 30 degrees is equal to root 3 over 3. That's the value for tan 30 degrees. Now, if you want to find, let me clean this side. If you want to find cosine, cosec of 30 degrees. Cosec simply means, just if you want to know what cosec means, you just count 3 letters, 1, 2, 3. What is this thing? S, which is for what? Sine. You write 1 over sine. So this thing means 1 over sine what? 30 degrees. You understand? So if you want to find cosec 30 degrees, it means 1 over, sine 30 degrees is what? 1 over 2. So which will be what? 1 times, the 2 will go up, 2 over what? 1. Which is what? 1 times 2 is what? 2 over 1. Which is what? 2. So cosec 30 degrees is equal to what? 2. That's the value. Now if you want to find, what's the other one? Cotan. Okay, let's find cotan. Or sec. Okay, let's find sec first. Sec 30 degrees. So you count 1, 2, 3. What is the third letter? Is what? C, and it's for what? Cos. You write 1 over cos 30 degrees. So we are going to have 1 over cos 30 degrees is equal to 1 over cos 30 degrees is what? Root 3 over 2. Which will be what? 1 over, I say what? 1 times 2 over root 3. which is what? 2 over root 3. You cannot leave it like this. We need to do what? Rationalize. So times root 3 over what? Root 3. So 2 times root 3 is what? 2 root 3 over root 3 times 3 is what? Root 3. 3. So that sec 30 degrees is equals to 2 root 3 over 3. So that's the value for sec 30 degrees. Let me write it here. Sec 30 degrees is equals to 2 root 3 over 3. That's the value for sec 30 degrees. Now, let's find the value for cotangent 30 degrees. You can find it here. So, cot 90 degrees. Sorry, cot 30 degrees is equals to. Now, let's count. 1, 2, 3. What is the next letter? T. And the next letter is what? T, which is what? 1 over tan. So 1 over tan 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees is equals to 1 over tan 30 is what? Root 3 over 3. Root 3 over 3. So that cos 30 degrees is equals to 1 times 3 over root 3. Which is equals to what? 3 over root 3. We are going to do what? Rationalize. 3 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3. So we are going to have 3 root 3 over 3. That's the answer for cos 30 degrees. Thank you and God bless you. In our next class, we are going to find the value for sin 60 degrees, tan 60 degrees, cos 60 degrees, cosec, cos,